Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the things related to the min-max algorithm. It is also called as mini-max algorithm or min-max algorithm, which was very important and what we can say the optimistic algorithm which was developed by John Newman. Okay, in min-max algorithm, both the player which are fight it as the opponent player and it get the minimum benefit while they get the maximum benefit. Okay, forget these things. In min-max algorithm there are two players are available. One is maximum player and another one is minimum player. Maximum is always try to make its value maximum and minimum always try to make its value minimum. This kind of algorithm which is only applicable for two player games, that are checkers, chess, then tic tac toe. Okay, both the player of the game which are opponent of each other, where max will select the maximized value as we already discussed these things, and min will select the minimized value. The minimax algorithm performs a depth first search algorithm for the exploration of the complete game tree. The minimax algorithm proceeds all the way down to the terminal node of the tree and backtrack the tree as the recursion. Okay, now let's take the example for the min-max algorithm. Okay, we will go through this terminal 3 and 5. Okay, what will be the value of minimum? That is 3. For 2 and 9, what will be the value of minimum? That is 2. And for maximum, for 3 to 2, who is maximum? What will the value of maximum? That is 3. Exactly. Okay. Now next we will discuss this thing with the suitable example. Now we have -1, 4, 2, 6, 3, -5, 0 and 7 at the terminal node. And how we are going to evaluate it? That is maximizing, then minimizing, then maximizing. Okay. For the step 1, for the step 2, -1 to 4, what will the value of maximizer? That is 4 for D. From 2 to 6, what will the value of maximizer? That is max value, that is 6. For L and M terminal node, -3 to -5, what will be the value of max value? That is -3. 0 and 7, what will the value of max? That is 7. Exactly. Now next, for D, E, F, G terminal node, at what we have 4, 6, -3 and 7 respectively. Now from D to E, that is D have 4 value and E have 6 value. What will be the minimized value, minimum value? That is, yes, obviously 4 value. For F we have -3 and for G we have 7. What will be the minimum value? That is -3. Okay, so here we have two values. For B we have 4 value and for C we have -3 value. Now we are going for the maximizer or max value. Okay, so here what it will select? It will select the, yes, exactly, it will select 4 value. Now what are the properties of min-max algorithm? It is complete, that is min-max algorithm is complete. It will definitely find a solution in the finite search tree. It is optimal time complexity and space complexity. Limitation of min-max algorithms are, the main drawbacks of min-max algorithm are that it gets really slow for complex games such as chess, go, etc. These types of games has a huge branching factor and the player has lots of choices to decide. Okay, so these are the few drawbacks which are for min-max algorithm and which can be it can be improved by alpha beta pruning. We will discuss these things in next lecture. Okay, thank you.